Welcome back, everyone, to another Bleek Rides. Today, we're doing an episode of Riding Through History. Going to cover 5 iconic brands, pretty well known the world over. We're going to talk about the icons of these brands, the individual images that people associate with these legends, these myths, these modern machinery marvels. So let's roll a quick intro and get into it. Coming in at number 1, we have BMW. The origins and evolutions of their logo, it debuted on October 5th, 1917. Soon after, Rapp Motorwerk rebranded the Beige Motorenwerk and inherited a round shape. This circular badge would go on to become an icon for the company. There is a myth out there that the BMW logo is actually that of a spinning propeller. This myth originates all the way back in 1929, with a BMW ad showing the logo over a propeller. Not one to let a good myth go to waste, BMW has leaned into it with some of their advertising and embraced the propeller. Since 1910, the bar and shield has symbolized strength and protection. Then in the 1930s, the eagle spread its wings across the American psyche. Flights of freedom during the Great Depression. Fast forward to the 1990s, Willie G. Davidson, grandson of founder William A. Willie G. would leave his own trademark on the company with his famous Willie G. skull. And Harley's had a lot of logos over the years. Some they call their museum pieces, some their retro pieces, some their heritage pieces. All stand out. The bar and shield is known the world over. Indian's first logo in 1901 was an elegant burgundy script, designed by founder Hendy and Hedstrom. The Indian headdress became a powerful emblem of freedom. Since 1947's war bonnet fenders with their Indian headdress light, this logo has been an icon for the company. As cultural sensibilities evolved, Indian began to shift towards something more modern, monochrome only branding. In the post-war, Soichiro Honda designed the winged logo back in 1947. He was inspired by Nike, the Greek goddess of victory. It symbolizes Honda's global ambitions to fly across the globe. By the 1960s, the bold H emerged for cars, while the wing stayed true to motorcycle roots. Number 5 on our list is Kawasaki. From riverboats to razor-sharp machines. They're founded in 1878 as a shipbuilder. Kawasaki's river mark, the stylized kanji for river, flew on its shipping flags. After launching motorcycles, they introduced the bold red K, sans serif wordmark of 1967, asserting a modern strength. Recently, the river mark returned on elite models like the Ninja H2, reconnecting the brand with its roots. That's 5 brands with 5 identities, shaped by founders, myths, and cultural evolution. Each logo tells a story of heritage, of purpose, and those proud enough to shape a legacy. I've been your narrator, Bleek Rides. This has been an episode of Riding Through History. Hey, if you enjoyed this content, please hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe. Don't cost you nothing. It means the world to me. And if you want to stay up to date on all things Bleek Rides and all the things we're doing here on the channel, hit that bell. Alright, that's all. If you can, just ride.